Also got to love this weather. It's beautiful out today. Once again, sunshine, nice temperatures. Hey, what if you're looking ahead of the next holiday? That's St. Patty's Day. Here's your forecast. First for that, we've got partly cloudy skies coming in for your St. Patty's Day. The luck of the Irish bringing us a half cloudy, half sunny day. A high temperature of 83 after starting out at 50, and we'll be dry. So good news for anyone doing outdoor St. Patty's Day celebrations. We're in the 80s right now. In fact, 83 for Stinson at the airport, San Antonio at 82. South-southwest winds are at 9 miles per hour, so a little bit of a breeze. Barometer holding steady. The dew point's at 44, much higher than yesterday, but that humidity still fairly low at 26%, so the air's still very dry outside. We do see some 90s, very low 90s for Pearsall and Cotulla, both at 90. Rock Springs 81. Del Rio 86, Eagle Pass, a pair of 8. Same story, Carrizo Springs, San Marcos at 83. Seguin and Floresville also 83 degrees. Gonzales at 82. Here is the radar for Texas. We are not seeing any rainfall whatsoever. Some clouds in western parts of the state to the west of a dry line, but everyone else is looking rain-free and virtually cloud-free as well, with beautiful blue skies. Here's the water vapor image showing all the dry air, where the orange is sitting right over top of most of Texas. Big area of high pressure in charge, setting up the storm activity to our north, but that'll be changing a little bit as we head towards the latter part of this work week. Not in the form of rain, but a cold front that's going to come in and give us a shot at some cooler temperatures. Here's the rainfall outlook for the second half of the 14 days, still forecasting below average amounts of rainfall. We definitely need it. That drought continuing to worsen. And how about those temperatures? Still above average, more so for the eastern seaboard and the northeast. For most of Texas, above average, especially northern Texas. But that means dry and very warm weather coming at you for the next 14 days. Here's your hour-by-hour futurecast. Notice the clock in the corner starts you out at 8 a.m. tomorrow. We'll start out with more cloud cover in the morning. Typical like summer kind of pattern. We have the clouds in the morning. Temperatures not nearly as cool, 50s and low 60s. The clouds burn off by around noon, and for the afternoon, it's all sunshine. Temperatures warmer tomorrow than today by about 6 or 7 degrees. Some low 90s to mid 90s likely in our southern counties. This model saying upper 90s for highs. Possible, but I'm thinking maybe a little bit cooler than that. But then as we head into Thursday, things continue to change. Here's Thursday morning, 8 a.m. Not seeing as much cloud cover. Temperatures at about the same spot, 50s and low 60s. And then by the end of the day, it's all sunshine, a few clouds here and there, and highs well into the 90s for most of us, mid to upper 80s for highs in the hill country, but low 90s for most other areas. So for this evening, not as cool as last night by about 10 degrees. We'll drop down to 56 for an overnight low, and clouds moving in later on tonight. And as we head into your day tomorrow, we're looking at the clouds in the morning, but sunshine by the afternoon, 80 by noon and 89, the forecast high for your Wednesday. 14-day forecast bumps that up to 90 for a high Thursday and also Friday. Friday, the wind will start to pick up, and that'll increase our fire danger. In fact, we have a red flag warning for most of our area, Bexar County westward tomorrow late in the afternoon for high fire danger, but likely higher on Friday and a Saturday with a cold front. That'll drop us back to around 80 for highs Saturday and Sunday for the weekend. There's St. Patty's Day, dry and 83, and the first day of spring, the next Thursday, also dry with a high of 83. No rain chances on that 14-day, and Sarah, we definitely need that rainfall. Hopefully we'll get it eventually.
Yes, we do. You can tell when you look at the grass. I feel bad for it.